Welcome to RMDTRADER channel, your gateway to the markets. Welcome to this instructional video on setting up and configuring your MetaTrader 5 system. We will show you the different components of the MetaTrader platform. Launching MetaTrader 5 for the first time, this is what your layout will look like. By default, you will notice that you already have 4 Forex charts open. You'll see there are some indicators, but don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We will clean all of this up and show you how to properly set them up and personalize them to your preference. But first things first, in order to trade, we need to find the Market Watch window. This is the window right here in the top left corner. This is where we will find the symbols to all the trading instruments which we want to trade. In the event that we should accidentally close this window for whatever reason, we can very easily recover the window by navigating to the View drop-down menu and selecting the Market Watch option. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+M to show or hide the window. Beneath the Market Watch window, we have the Navigator window. Here you will find your active trading account, a variety of indicators, an expert advisor, scripts and services. We will delve into this a bit deeper later on, but for now, if we were to accidentally close this window, we can reopen it by navigating to the View drop-down menu and selecting the Navigator window, or you can use the Ctrl+N shortcut. At the bottom, you will find the Toolbox window. In here, you will find all your information relating to your trades, your trade history, news, an internal mailbox, a calendar, and other tabs. We will once again explore this a bit later, but for now, these first 3 tabs are the most important ones to know of. The Trade tab, where you can see all your current trades as well as your account balance. The Exposure tab shows you your current exposure to the markets. The next tab is the History tab. In here, you will find all the trades that you have taken, with a detailed breakdown of profits and losses, as well as other information. Another interesting tab is the Calendar tab. In here, you can find all the relevant news events in the form of an economic calendar based on your individual setup. If you need to open or close the Toolbox window, you can also find it under the View drop-down or by using the Ctrl+T. Before we get our teeth stuck into setting up the different instruments, let us take a moment to clean up the workspace. We can resize any of the windows, so let's hover over the edge of the Toolbox window and then drag the window down so that it minimizes itself. You'll see now that it only shows your balance. Now, let's look at the workspace in the middle. First, we can resize any of the chart windows or even move them around. Note that we can switch between active chart windows by using the tabs here at the bottom. Let's maximize one by clicking the Maximize button. And again, we can switch between charts by using the tabs at the bottom. But for now, let's close these windows as well. And there you go. Now that we have a basic understanding of the platform, we're ready to start setting it up in preparation of taking our first trade. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be showing you how to search for and add new symbols. We'll be looking at different ways to set up the chart windows, and we'll look at how to manipulate the time frames to our preference. Thanks for watching. Until next time, trade smart, trade successful.